Today I am going to teach you guys how to use the cubes strategy. So the first thing you want to do in the cube strategy is we want to read the math word problem. So, for homework, Sarah had 11 math problems and 19 spelling problems. If she can finish 6 problems in an hour, how long will it take her to finish all the problems? So, we know. So the first thing we want to do is we want to circle the key numbers. So, for homework, Sarah had 11 math problems and 19 spelling problems. If she can finish 6 problems in an hour, how long will it take her to finish all the problems? So, we have circled the key numbers. Next, we're going to underline the question. So the question in this math word problem is, how long will it take her to finish all the problems? So we circle their key numbers, we underline the question, and now we want to box the action words. So, for homework, Sarah had 11 math problems and 19 spelling problems. If she can finish 6 problems in an hour, how long will it take her to finish all the problems? So we circled the key numbers, we underlined the question, and we have boxed the action words. Next, we want to evaluate the steps. So, we know that Sarah had a total of 11 math problems and that she had a total of 19 spelling problems. So, we have 11 plus 19, which equals 30. So we know that she had a total of 30 homework problems. So we're going to move the 30 down here. And we know that she can finish 6 problems in an hour. So what we are going to do is we are going to make groups of 6 that add up to 30. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So now that we have made our groups of 6, we can now count them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have a total of 5 groups. So we know that 30 divided by 6 equals 5. So we know that it'll take Sarah 5 hours to finish her homework. So now let's solve and check. So we have 11 math problems. Yep. And we have 19 spelling problems. Okay, so 11 plus 19 equals 30. So we want to move the 30 down, and we know that she can finish 6 problems in an hour. So that's where we get 30 divided by 6. So that's when we make groups of 6, and that equals 5 groups total. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 30 divided by 6 equals 5. So we know that Sarah can finish her homework in 5.